not going to be even a good morning, it's going to be a good evening. It's about 7:10 and we're going to go in for our briefing very, very soon, and it's probably going to be the only time you're going to see this many cyclists because we're all going to be spread out. Sorry. Right, sorry. And so yeah, we've got a few more minutes before the briefing, and yeah, I am very excited, a little bit scared, but I'm just want to get going now. So many people here, a few women as well, which is always good to see. And yeah, I'll take you into the briefing and take you along for this epic 900k ride around the north for All Points North. Lucky number 20. Gosh, let's go. We are off. Everyone is dispersing different roads. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Probably can't see me, but it is about, I'll say we and I, around 60k in, I think. Feeling good, riding steady. This light is incredible. It's so bright. It's about 1 in the morning, about 110k in, and I'm really enjoying riding at night. This was the thing that I was most scared about, like riding on my own at night, and actually I'm really enjoying it. It's so peaceful. There's hardly any cars on the road. It's just very serene. Looking at now. Got a stop planned. A Spa actually, about 130k, so another 20k. I'm gonna have to stop, maybe a quick half an hour snooze. It's now 2 AM and I'm sat on a chair in Spa in Bridlington. I think Flamborough is around, I mean it's only about 10k away from here, so a lovely chap in the shop has just said there's a little chair here. He's like, when I said, do you mind if I just sit on the floor? Could sit outside, but I was like, it's nice inside. He's like, just sit on the chair. So I'm just having a minute, got a bottle of water, just having a little minute. Oh, I don't think you can see it, that's the lighthouse flashing ahead. It looks way better in real life. You probably can't see anything. Let's have a look, no you can't, it's pitch black. But I'm at Flamborough and it is majestic. Just, I don't know what it is, it's absolutely beautiful, and there's like stars and you can hear the sea. I'm actually just gonna have like maybe 20 minutes just laying down because it is just, oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. I know this is like the first checkpoint, but I don't think any of the checkpoints are gonna match up to this. It's 3:30 in the morning and I've got a flat tire. Oh, this is really not ideal, but we've got the stuff to sort it, so let's just do it. Right, the sun is pretty much on its way up now. These two lovely chaps have stopped with me just to give me a helping hand to
still here.
Yeah, to help with the miseries of flat tire at 3:30. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. What's he say? Oh, you signed up a solo and then
We signed up a solo and then we could like loads of all that together.
oh, so you're just like, why not?
So then we messaged the organisers and like that, just changed it to a pair.
Yeah. So quick update. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Feeling pretty good. After the puncture, rode for a bit. Now I'm in Scarborough at a 24-hour shop, eating bagels next to some bins. But I love it. I felt quite sick before. I think it's because I was tired, so I just literally stopped in a field and had literally 30 minutes and just felt so much better. So after the shop and I was like, bagel time. And some orange juice. And then, sorry, I must look like an animal. And then we're going to Whitby. And we're going to get beans on toast in Whitby. That's going to be my treat. Is that really sad that my treat is going to be beans on toast? But I can taste the beans on toast now. Maybe a cup of tea. That sounds amazing. Okay, see you in a bit. Good morning. I'm at Whitby Abbey and I'm going to head down, get my beans on toast. So now I am at Wetherspoons because this wouldn't be a Katie Audax or long distance ride without beans on toast. So I'm going to sit and enjoy. It's about 8 o'clock now. Yeah, it's nice. I don't feel too tired actually. I thought I would, but I think my extra sleep that I've been having in the week has done me good. The sun is out and I found a bike shop, so I've been able to pump my tyre up and they just helped me repair my tube. I was going to buy another one but it was repairable, and so they're like, nah, just repair it. So they're just not charging me anything, let me use the toilet. I basically put all my sun cream on when I was in there. So I just said, do you want me to buy anything? They were like, no, don't worry about it, just have a good ride. So they're called Bike Scene and I don't really know where I am. The code is 01287. So that's that. So I've got heading on, so I'm at 240k and heading up towards Middlesbrough and Durham and then up to Bellingham and Kielder. So yeah, I had a little nap before actually. I was going to take my glasses off but it's so bright. Yeah, I had a little nap because I was tired. I literally just slept in a field. But you feel so much better, literally a 30-minute nap just makes you feel so much better. So that is that. On we go. Slight diversion. I've managed to plot my route around Radio 1's big weekend in Middlesbrough. So luckily I've got it on my phone to change the route. Oh, bloody hell. What is going on? The line probably looks terrible and I've just had a shower and I kind of just wanted to check in because obviously you've not seen me since whatever it was today, and the reason for that is when I have a bad time, the last thing I want to do is get the camera out, and I've had a really rough, it's so hard, like this is I've done longer rides, I've done rides with more elevation, but this is by far the hardest. I'm trying and I had 60k back to the hotel. It was like 300. I was feeling all right, and then that last 60k, like I literally sobbed, and I'm like, what am I doing? It was so hard, and I couldn't have got the camera out because I literally would have just been crying, and it's ridiculous. Like, what am I crying for? I think I just, like a baby, was just overtired and not realise actually how tired I am. So I'm gonna have a kip now. And see how I feel in the morning. I really want to finish it and I'm just doubting myself and I don't even know why I'm getting upset. It's silly. I just feel like a bit like a fraud. I think I'm just tired. That like I'm always telling you like, oh, you can do what you want to do, just, you know, just try for it, and then here I am like struggling to even ride a bike. I'm just feeling so I'm probably going to cut this out. I just feel a bit sorry for myself. Not sorry for myself. I think I'm just tired. I think that's what it is. Just tired and probably just need to eat more, drink more and sleep more. It's when you see all these other people and like, how do they do it and not sleep? Like, they're like so fast. And then I'm like bumbling along and and crying. Like, God, there were so many climbs. You know that I like climbs. These were relentless. Relentless. It was awful. And I was literally swearing at the hills like, why is there another one? Like, why? We'll just Give me some flap, for God's sake. It's hard, really hard. I think a couple of people have scratched already. And some people that are really strong riders are saying, like, this is a lot harder than I expected. It's way harder than I expected. I knew it would be hard, but not. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed and see if I make more sense in the morning. I don't want to quit. I really don't want to quit. I want to do it.